Yeah, Rick, here I am on top of mountain at 20 kilometer on McNulty Road, and it's right at 20 kilometer. It's a turn off. Coming in, it's on the left hand side. And I've gone right to the top of the mountain, and it's a dead end, and it's like all sand around here. The road's sand all the way in. There's the mountain ridges on the other side. Now, here's the rest of the mountain that's behind me, so I'm just about on top of it. You can see that. Do a complete circle here. Okay, now I'm going to show you something that's pretty cool.